Managing relationships shouldn't feel like a juggling act, yet so many of us spend time logging emails, scrambling for follow-ups, or trying to remember what we last said. Cloze CRM isn't just another digital address book. It's an AI-powered smart assistant that maps your contacts, surfaces actionable tasks, and helps you build genuine connections day by day. In this in-depth, beginner-friendly walkthrough, I'll guide you from zero setup to daily rhythm with Cloze, showing you how to turn scattered communications into clear, reliable follow-ups that feel natural and effortless. Visit Cloze.com or download the Cloze mobile app and sign up using your email. It's quick and straightforward. Once inside, Cloze invites you to connect your email accounts such as Gmail, Outlook, or Office 365, plus your calendar and optionally your phone's call and SMS logs. You have complete control. You decide which streams to link, and Cloze starts gathering everything automatically, building a unified communication history behind the scenes. You don't have to upload anything or copy files. It simply begins working right away, scanning your existing messages, calls, and meetings to create what Cloze calls your relationship graph. Over the next few minutes, it starts organizing everything into contact profiles and populating your dynamic agenda, which is where your day begins moving forward. Cloze doesn't leave you alone. It walks you through 5 setup steps designed for clarity and speed. Review your contacts. Cloze auto-merges duplicates, finds missing info, and completes profiles with social links and updated signatures. Pick your top 50. Choose who gets high-priority reminders. These become the most nurtured relationships. Send your first email inside Cloze with your existing Gmail or Outlook account, so it can begin logging all outreach automatically. Install the mobile app. This enables seamless syncing of calls and texts, bringing phone-based communication into the mix. And lastly, explore your agenda. This is your intelligent dashboard full of smart reminders, follow-up suggestions, birthdays, and overdue tasks. Set those up in one session, then sit back and let Cloze begin to show you what it can do. Once integral data is synced, Cloze constructs enriched contact records. Each profile shows every email exchange, call, SMS, meeting, and note, clearly laid out in a timeline you can scroll. You can tag each contact with custom labels like client, prospect, VIP, or investor, and segment them based on deal stage, geolocation, or dream outcome. Cloze supports filters like not contacted in 60 days or tagged as investor, helping you treat relationships differently based on importance and timing. Need to add extra info like time zone, communication preference, or contract renewal date? Custom fields make it easy. This isn't just storage. It's memory, powering your follow-ups and turning mundane outreach into a thoughtful connection. Open Cloze each morning and land on the agenda, your prioritized living, breathing relationship dashboard. No static checklists. You'll see reminders like it's been 33 days since last connecting with Sarah, or a lead opened your email yesterday, consider a next step. You can swipe to mark complete, snooze for a later time, or tap to send a message instantly. Every action updates your timeline dynamically, and it informs future reminders. The result? A human-centric workflow with zero guesswork, unmatched follow-through with minimal effort. Inside Cloze, writing emails becomes smooth and personal rather than repetitive. Use predefined templates or reusable snippets to speed up common messages. If you're a pro user, Cloze's AI Ghostwriter drafts entire emails for you, contextually accurate, matching your tone, and ready to tweak. Want to follow up after a meeting or checking in with a dormant lead? Just type a phrase like follow up after demo, and Cloze will propose a thoughtful, personalized message you can send in seconds. Your sent messages are logged directly on the contact timeline. No wondering who got what or when. Cloze tracks it all, clearly and automatically. Cloze's automated reminders aren't preset alarms. They're relationship cues tailored to you. As Cloze learns your communication patterns, it starts suggesting follow-ups exactly when needed. If VIP contacts usually get touched every 2 weeks, Cloze will remind you at the right time. If a lead hasn't replied in 5 days, Cloze flags that too. It even picks up on triggers like contract delays or anniversaries and suggests personal outreach. These reminders adjust if you interact more or less often, and you can pause or schedule them at any time. The outcome is not generic CRM behavior, it's intuitive relationship care. Success with Cloze comes from consistency. Clearing actionable items daily chases clarity and prevents overwhelm. Start your day by skimming the agenda. Handle 3 to 5 suggestions. Send a quick email, hop on a call, jot a note. That's it. No deeper CRM dive required. Cloze learns from every action and adapts, delivering reminders that feel spot on, personalized, and useful. Over time, you'll start noticing relationships flourish, missed chances vanish, and client retention climb, all without visualizing pipe drive style pipelines or chasing metrics. Each context profile in Cloze paints a full picture of your relationship. See how often they respond and what they respond to, how quickly they reply, and how frequently you reach out. Scroll through calendar events, attachments, and shared notes. Add informal notes like mentioned new baby or once monthly check-ins. Need to find an email from May 2022? Use keyword search. Cloze will pull up that conversation instantly. You're not just tracking interactions. You're building relational memory that lives forever. Remember, Cloze works best when it's part of your routine, not another chore. Spend 5 focused minutes per morning. Review the agenda, complete tasks, send messages, make calls, jot notes. Then move on with your day. Cloze handles the rest behind the scenes. If needed, check again before lunch or at the day's end. That's enough to turn missed follow-ups into strong connections and remembered conversations. If you're not working solo and have a small team or even a larger organization, Cloze becomes even more powerful. With the team features, you can share contact notes, timelines, follow-up responsibilities, and relationship health scores. This prevents duplication of outreach and helps align your client communications. You can assign tasks to teammates, share an account's entire timeline, or tag someone in a note or call summary so they can instantly act. All of this works within Cloze. No need to switch over to Slack or email to ask, did you follow up with them? It's all transparent and centralized. Everyone is on the same page without micromanagement. It's collaboration that actually reduces noise instead of adding more. While Cloze isn't a pipeline-obsessed CRM, it still offers pipeline and analytics tools for people who need to track deals or sales stages. You can create custom stages like inquiry, in review, contract sent, and closed won, and attach deals to any contact. Each deal can have a value, expected close date, team members assigned, and files attached. You can view reports filtered by date ranges, deal stages, or user. And Cloze gives you a clean visualization of how deals move through the funnel. This works whether you're a solopreneur managing 5 clients or a team lead monitoring 20 open projects. It's flexible, non-intrusive, and it never forces you to become a sales machine. It enhances your view of what matters without making you hate tracking progress. One thing users love about Cloze is how well it integrates with the tools you already use. It supports Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, Dropbox, Zoom, LinkedIn, Twitter, and many more. This means your files, meetings, notes, and social interactions can all be tied to contact profiles without extra effort. You don't have to migrate everything into Cloze. You just sync and Cloze pulls context in from your digital footprint. It even logs Zoom meetings, attaches meeting records, and creates action items from transcripts if you connect the platforms. For document-heavy workflows, you can connect Dropbox or OneDrive and never lose files again. They're tied directly to client records. If you're already using lots of tools, Cloze becomes a hub, not a replacement. Cloze takes data privacy seriously. Your emails, calls, and messages are not shared unless you explicitly choose to share them with your team. Permissions can be customized, so maybe only managers see financial deals while assistants can view contact notes. Data is encrypted in transit and at rest, and Cloze complies with strict privacy laws like GDPR. You own your data and you can export or delete it anytime. Whether you're in healthcare, consulting, legal, or finance, Cloze is built with safeguards so your sensitive client data stays secure. It doesn't add more steps. It subtracts mental load. It frees your brain to focus on people, not spreadsheets. So if your contacts feel scattered, your memory feels overloaded, and your communication lacks rhythm, try Cloze. It's private, smart, and simple. Whether you're flying solo or managing a team, Cloze reshapes the way you relate to your clients. Everything's organized. Nothing gets forgotten. And every day you get a little nudge in the right direction. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.